Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to do another sound today. This is a sound that you already learned when you were in school, and we're just going to revisit it and remember to think about some of the words that have got the sound in, and we're going to practice writing the sound as well. So, magnet eyes, let me see your magnet eyes on me. Okay, the sound that we're going to learn today is R. It's a stretchy sound, so we stretch it. You put your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And when we say it nice and short. R. Nice long one. I'm going to show you some pictures that start with the sound rabbit, robot. Oh, I've seen lots of these recently in people's windows. Rainbow, rainbow. Robot, robot. Rabbit. Fantastic, well done. They all start with the sound that we're looking at today. I'm going to draw my sound now. We'll see. Can you see? Get my pencil. Robot. Robot. Fantastic. If I take my picture away, we're left with the sound that we read and the sound that we write. Just make sure my pen's not quite working. Let's look at that one again. Get my pencil, my magic pencil ready. Crocodile snaps, remember? Your turn. Down, up. Brilliant. Robot. See if you can draw it in the air for me. Down his back and then curl over his arm. Can you see there? Robot. 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 Fantastic. Okay, well done. Fred is going to give me some words, and we're going to listen to the sounds, and then we're going to put the sounds together to make the word. Some of the words will have the sound in, and some will be different. Are we ready? Let's go, Fred. Are we ready? Ooh, don't like these. At. 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 Rat. Rat. At. Rat. Fantastic. Let's listen for another one. Ed. 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 Red. Ed. Red. 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 Fantastic. Let's have another one. Ooh. This has got 4 sounds in. Let's see if you can hear all the sounds. And. 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 Hand. And. Hand. Let's try one more. Flag. 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 Brilliant. Thank you, Fred. You helped us out there. Let's pop him back on there. Now, the sound that we're learning today is R. I'm going to pop it in with there's a big pile of all the sounds I know you know. Some you might have forgotten a little bit, but we're going to relearn them as we go on. So see if you can remember them. Remember, say them super speedy and nice and short. So it's not w, it's w. Are we ready? Off you go. Remember to give it a wave when you see it. Fantastic. Jazz hands. Give it a wave or give it a thumbs up. Remember, not Let's hide it again. Off you go. Fabulous. One last time. Keep those magnet eyes going. We ready? Off you go. See where it is. Fabulous. Well done. Give yourselves a marshmallow clap. Brilliant. Well done. Okie dokie. Right. We're going to practice reading some words. Practice our blending now. So I'm going to ask you, I'm going to show you a word. I'm going to ask you to Fred talk it. And then I'm going to ask you to read the word. I'll start. My turn. Fred talk. It hit. My turn. At fat. Okay, let's hide those in there. So you're going to Fred talk the word and then you're going to read the word. Off you go. Let. Had. Met. Bed. Hit. Log. Let. Fun. Oh, we've already had that one. I must have put that back in the wrong place. Fat. Brilliant, well done. I think we've got ourselves right back to the beginning there. Fantastic, well done. This set of words, we're going to do exactly the same thing with them, but I'm not going to put the dots and dashes on them. So I want you to see if you can have a go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold them against my chest like this. I want you to Fred talk them, and when I push it forward, I want you to read the word. I'll show you how to do it first of all. B-A-D. Bad. Okay, let's have a go. Your turn. Fred talk it. Pat. Fred talk. Mud. Fred talk. Cat. Fred talk. Bad. Brilliant, back to the beginning. Okay, well done there. You tried really hard doing those sounds and reading those words. If you've got one of these at home, see if you can find the sound that we've just learnt today. If you haven't got one, practice writing that sound on a piece of paper. Okay? If you have got one, there's space for you to practice writing it here. Down the robot's back and up and over his arm. Remember, it needs to sit on the line when you're writing it. Okay? See if you can practice doing that after this lesson. All right, I'll see you all again soon. Fred says bye as well.